Good morning, second grade friends. Here is your Journeys Day 3 lesson. If you want, you can make up a never-ending story. So here's the prompt. My parents took me to the animal shelter to get a puppy. And then, if you want to, you can come up with a crazy story that would come after that. Here's a great spot where you can pause the video and practice these high-frequency words. These are the words you are supposed to be able to read by the end of the week. Now, we remember that high-frequency words do not always follow the pattern that the letters show, and that we might have to know some of these parts by heart. Okay? Here's our vocabulary. So each day we're practicing the same words, but using them in different ways so that we can extend our knowledge on them. So the first word is obeys. We know that that means to follow. There's an example sentence, same one as yesterday, but today I want you to name some rules we have to obey. Think about the rules that we obey in the community, the rules that we obey in our car when we're driving, the rules that we have to obey at school. The next word is safety, and that means protecting ourselves. There's our sample sentence. And then try to think of safety gear that people wear for different sports. Think about what you wear when you play football. Think about what you wear when you play baseball. Any sport that you can think of. Maybe if you like volleyball, is there any gear that you wear to protect yourself on your knees? Next word is attention. Careful listening or watching. There's our sample sentence. And I know I can't see you, but what would you look like when you're paying attention? Okay, the word is station. So we know that that's the main building or headquarters of a service. Think about, where is our police station? Where is our fire station? In our community, we really don't have a bus station or a train station because we don't really live in a big city. But think to yourself, what would you see at a police station? The next word is shocked, and that's a sudden or powerful scare. There's our sample sentence. And then tell about a time when you felt shocked. Maybe you heard some exciting news or something that surprised you or shocked you. Maybe you saw something on TV. The next word is buddy, and we know that's a friend or pal. And name what you would do with your buddy, and maybe you have more than one. So what would you like to do with your buddies? The next word is speech. We know that that's spoken words. And think to yourself, would you enjoy making a speech, or how would you get ready to make a speech? Personally, I would not enjoy making a speech. I only like to talk in front of children. Adults, that's more scary. All right. The next word is enormous. And what is the most enormous animal you have seen or heard of? Last week we learned about the blue whale, and that is an enormous animal. But you could also think of animals that are extinct. I know a lot of my friends in this class are interested in dinosaurs. This week we're learning about the schwa vowel sound. So listen to these words as I say them. Okay, these are 2-syllable words, and some of the syllables are stressed, or you can hear them louder than the other syllable, okay? So listen to about. When I say the first syllable, it's a little quieter, and the stress is on the second syllable, about. Afraid. Pencil. Now with pencil, you hear the eh louder. Pencil. Problem. Okay? So when words have 2 or more syllables, we usually say one syllable with more stress. The vowel in the quieter syllable sometimes has neither its long nor its short vowel, and that's where we get the schwa vowel sound. Wagon. When I read the second syllable with the short O vowel sound, the word does not sound correct. So we know short O says wagon. Nope, that's not right. When I read the second syllable with its long O vowel sound, which is O, wagon, that does not sound right either. So instead, I stress the first syllable, and the second syllable becomes a little bit of the different sound, and that is the schwa, wagon. All right, go ahead and read these words. I can read them with you, and then you can pause and try them by yourself, but here we have the highlighted schwa vowel sound. Along, season, afraid, tunnel, reason, second, nickel, happen. Okay, pause the video here and go ahead and decode these words. Chop them up into your syllables. Take the word parts that you know, and then read your sentences on the bottom one time so you know what the words are, and one time fluently. I noticed the end mark on this one is a question mark, so remember when we read a question, our voice changes a little bit at the end. All right, and we would do writing and grammar if you're here with me, but we are not together, unfortunately. So we will catch up on that next week when you return. Have a wonderful day, friends.